Today we have a new toy. This is from Disney Minnie Mouse, the Bowtique cash register. It comes with coins, the Minnie Mouse credit card, and some Minnie Mouse money. Let's open up this register.
Isn't this fun? You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
Let's open it up. We have 10 cents and a mini bow. Here's 25 cents. Here's 5 cents. Minnie's charge card. Minnie money. This is $20. Minnie money. This is $10. This is $5. And this is $1. Here is the register scanner with a bow on it. Ariel wants to go food shopping. A pizza, yum! This pineapple cost $1.
I love shopping with you.
This banana is 50 cents.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
This cake cost $2.
Oh my, what a good choice.
A pie. That is $1.
Isn't this fun?
A chocolate bar. That's 80 cents.
You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
Donut. That is $3.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
Your total is $20. Ariel is using the Minnie money. Thank you for shopping with us, Ariel. See you later. Alright, who's next? It's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Princess Belle, what can I get you? Just a pizza. This pizza will cost $2. Belle is using Minnie's charge card. Thank you, Princess Belle, for stopping by. Princess Tiana, what can I get you? A pineapple? That will cost you $3.
Oh my, what a good choice.
A chocolate bar. That will be 50 cents.
Isn't this fun?
A banana. That is $1.
You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
And some ice cream. I have to scan this one. That will be $4.
I love shopping with you.
Your total is $7.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
Tiana is paying with the $10 mini money. Thank you, Princess Tiana, for shopping with us. 10 cents.
Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
$1.
Isn't this fun?
25 cents.
You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
And Minnie's charge card. $5 plus $1 equals $6.
I love shopping with you.
for shopping with us, everyone. I hope you had fun. For more Girls Toys videos, stay tuned and keep watching